Alright, welcome to our third video here at Studemia. We are delighted to have all our learners with us. If you are keen on gaining expertise in cybersecurity, we invite you to join our Studemia classroom training. In today's tutorial, we will delve into the prerequisites for starting a career as an ethical hacker. Just like in college, where you need to take basic algebra before moving on to pre-calculus, and before taking calculus, you need to have completed pre-calculus class, vice versa. You got the idea. Ethical hacking in cybersecurity also requires foundational knowledge. Firstly, a strong grasp of the Windows operating system is essential. You should understand how Windows operates, its file system, group and user policies, security features, Active Directory, patching, and file management. Familiarity with absolute and relative paths, along with basic PowerShell scripting, is also crucial. On the other hand, a robust understanding of the Linux operating system, especially in server environments, is vital. Modern server-side computing often happens on Linux, so knowing how to manage files, install and uninstall software, and navigate the Linux environment is key to your success in ethical hacking. Networking is another crucial area. You should be well-versed in the OSI model, which is the reference architecture for network communication. This includes understanding all 7 layers, from physical to application. Web application architecture knowledge is also important. This includes understanding microservices architectures like Docker and containerization, as well as the basics of 3-tier architectures involving clients, servers, and databases. Additionally, proficiency in modern scripting languages is beneficial. If you're good with PowerShell, you'll find Python scripting or Bash shell scripting relatively easy to pick up. But once you've completed your ethical hacking course, it is important to specialize. You can choose to focus on infrastructure or application-side ethical hacking. This tutorial is just a brief overview to get you started. In our next video, we'll delve deeper into the core concepts of ethical hacking. We'll explore the EC Council website, compare major players in the field, and discuss the ethical hacking course syllabus in detail. Thank you for tuning in to this short tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with our Studemia channel and continue your journey in cybersecurity with us.